All right, welcome back to Elements of Calculus 2. We are going to be continuing doing some separable differential equations. So here we're going to have dy by dx is equal to the square root of xy times the natural log of x. That's 8b here. So we go ahead and work this guy out. So we're going to say this is going to be dy over y to the 1/2 power, okay, let's just pushing this under, is equal to x to the 1/2 power times the natural log of x times dx. And what we want to do is we want to go ahead and integrate both sides of this thing. Okay, so this is going to be y to the negative 1/2. That's the fancy way to write 1 over x, square root of y. dy, go ahead and integrate, is equal to integral of x to the 1/2 outline of x dx. Okay, so the typical power rule applies over on this side. We're just going to get y equal to the positive 1/2 divided by 1/2, which is a fancy way to say multiply by 2. Okay, and this is equal to, and then like, we have a polynomial times a logarithm. You have to think, oh, that's an integration by parts. So we're going to do integration by parts here. Okay, so we're going to say let u equal ln of x, because that's the only choice you really have. Du is equal to 1 over x. dv, what's left? This is x to the 1/2 power dx. V is equal to x to the add 1, 3/2, divide by 3/2, which is a fancy way to say multiply by 2/3. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and integrate both sides by that. So we have 2y to the 1/2 power is equal to, and then typical integration by parts. So we're going to have 2/3 x to the 3/2 times the natural log of x minus the integral of 2/3. And I'm multiplying this 1 over x times x to the 3/2. That's just x to the 1/2. Okay, but we still have to integrate it. So we're going to go ahead and say this is 2/3 x to the 3/2. Okay, ln of x minus, this is going to be 2/3 x to the 3/2 times another 2/3 plus c. Don't forget the plus c. Okay, so we can double check that. We're going to say, okay, this is going to be y to the 1/2, 2y to the 1/2. I'm going to divide everybody by 2 here. So I'm going to multiply 1/2 times the whole equation. So we get y to the 1/2 is equal to 1/3 x to the 3/2. Here we're both divided by 2, so one of these 2's drop out. Sorry, ln of x minus 2 over 9 x to the 3/2 plus technically 2c, but since 2c is just c, we'll just leave it like that. And this time we'll go ahead and say y is equal to, and we have 1/3 x to the 3/2 ln of x minus 2/9 x to the 3/2 plus c all squared. And that would be our answer for this guy right here. All right. Most of the time, we try to type things in terms of y equals. You don't always have to, especially if this is really messy. Okay, and you could argue in this case, maybe it's messy. You just leave it as y to the 1/2. But usually you want it in terms of y, okay, in order to be able to say we have a solution. Okay, so thank you very much for watching the video. Good luck with the test, the exam, everybody. Good luck with the studying. And I'll say thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.